Providence, Rhode Island, Empire Street, Chinatown, 1910. Providence had a vibrant Chinese-American neighborhood on both Burrell Street and Empire Street between 1880 and 1914, but successive displacements pushed the community out of downtown by 1914. Some in the community were escaping racist violence across the West Coast, including Tao Fu, who moved from Portland and grew heritage vegetables on a plot outside of town. The community included musicians, chefs, pharmacists, and members of a local church choir. Tucked into small, private alleys were a tea shop, several groceries, and a restaurant called Yick's.